Hello, Miss Green. I really felt for you during the training. Sorry for the embarrassment you faced from the coach. I can offer to help you understand it better. That's so kind of you, Lizzie. Let's forget the past. I'm ready to learn how to arrange my students' data on Google Drive. I promise to pay attention. That's lovely. I have a recorded video guide on how to do it. Let's watch this together.
So this is how to create and arrange students' biodata or data on Google Drive as part of a Google Tools masterclass for educators. So let's quickly look at it. So if you need to have a Google Drive on your phone. Most of the phones come Google Drive as a default app, like most of the Google apps. So let's quickly search for Google Drive. So you're going to click on this. Make sure at any time you're updating this apps. Very important. It's very important. So once you click here, these are some of my files, and now you're going to see this plus sign here. This plus sign always indicates create. Click on it. So the first thing you do is to create folders. You have in documentations, we have files, we have folders. So files should be inside a folder. You understand? So create folders. Let's assume the class you have is a class where as a teacher you teach JS1, JS2, JS. I'm just using the academic whatever instance now. But if you're a coach, maybe you are teaching on a lot of things for business people out there, you can separate your folders. Maybe these are for video editing, this is for blogging, this is for whatever. You just do that. So but let's use the academic stuff now. So we'll look at JS1, JS2, JS3. I'm a teacher in these three classes. Or it could even be subjects or English, maths, this and that. So I create a folder for it. So I'm going to click on folder. Now I give this folder a name. Let me say JS1. Let me just say JS1. That's a JS1 folder. I click on create. You understand? I've created a JS1 folder. Now I click on another one the same way, folder JS2 folder. Then I click another one, JS3. You know what you really want to do. It's very important. I click. Now, all these my folders, you can see that whatever the folders I have here are arranged on alphabetical order. So I'm going to go for where I have J to find these folders. You can see them. These are the folders, JS1, JS2, JS3. Now, and one of the things I can do, now any material I want to put in JS1, because you have created these folders, you need to have files coming up to it. So at any time I have a material that I want to upload to this folder, let me click on JS1 for instance. This is a JS1 folder now. You can see it's completely empty. So having clicked on it, I want to add material. I'll still click on that plus sign. I click on the plus sign. I now click on upload. Most times it may not just be upload. It could be that I want to put a material on Google Docs. I want to write something. So if I click on Google Docs, I want to, prepare Google Sheets. Google Sheets is something as what we call Microsoft Power, Excel. They are a spreadsheet package, but Google calls their own Google Sheet. Why Microsoft calls it Microsoft Power, what do you call it? That's Excel. That's it. What you have here as Google slide, Microsoft call their own Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can use this to prepare anything. That is how it works. We're not going too deep on this now. You can also use to scan a document and paste here. You can upload a document that is already inside whatever your phone you want to upload. You discover that this particular document belongs to JS1. So let me upload it. You upload it. So let's try to do something like this. Okay, let me go to Google, that of Google Docs now, for you to see what it's going to look like. Now this is Google Docs. Now watch, maybe names of, assuming that what I want to write here is names of JS1 students. I now say 1, Michael Jordan. 2, Clara Fort. 3, Gregory Jacobs. 4, Hillary Tom. 5, Ben Schools. 6, Diana Watts. 7, Yon Reader. 8, Joseph Francis. Okay, Joseph Frank. 9, Killian Ball. 10 is Margaret Field. I seen it. So having done this now, I click on this. I can give you the title, names of JS1 students. Names of JS1 students is okay. So I've done this now. This will be on my folder. I seen it. It's automatically. You see how you can see it. A folder has been attached directly on JS1. Remember from Google Drive, I use a document to write that and automatically. And this is one good thing about Google Tools. They are all synced together. You see the one what I just did on that Google Docs now automatically is here. So this is one of the documents that have appeared under the JS1 folder. So, but that's by the way, I can also directly upload. Look, okay, let me use the one of uploading directly from my phone. Maybe it could be a picture, could be anything, maybe something that's in this phone I want to upload that belongs to JS1. It's one of their files. So, you know why this is important? You can arrange files so that at any time you want to look at the files for JS1, you quickly go to their folder. Everything will not be scattered here and there. And tomorrow you want to get something and you're looking around, you're searching here and there. So if it's an image I want to upload, let me assume something like this image in a gallery. Let me go to gallery and look for any image or a work. Okay, let me assume I want to upload this particular image. This is a video, a short video. You understand? Let me click on done. It's coming up. It's a short video. Look at it. Yes, that's the video, even though I gave it the wrong name. So this is a video and it's coming up. Once it settles, it will be there. You understand? So this is the way all their files, you upload it. It will help you. At any time you want to search the file that belongs to JS1, you quickly go there. And now another thing you have to know that even inside a folder, you can create a folder. Look at it. This JS1 now, I might decide to create a folder inside it again. JS1 folder, I create a folder. That folder might be financial matters or, okay, fees. Everything about their fees. You know, you can divide things like that. Maybe academics, fees, as extracurriculum, and all that. I just call this particular folder. I see it. There's a folder now inside JS1 folder. So it will help me that if I want to talk about, yes, I'm in JS1, but I want to go to look for files that has to do with their fees, whether school fees, everything is there. It will be posted. I now create a folder that has to do with academics. That's where you can find their result and all that. Anything that can to do with administration, maybe their biodata, their names, when they register, their admission number and all that, it will be there. So I can create folders inside a folder. This is exactly how to do this stuff. So if there's anything you have to learn when you're learning Google Tools and all that, you must learn how to do all of this. It's very, very good to do it. It doesn't matter what you're teaching, whether in your school system or you're just a coach teaching business people. Arrange your work in folders and in files. And that's exactly how to do this. So if you're new to your channel, please do well, subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video so that somebody out there, especially those who are not part of what we're doing, can join the Google Tools Masterclass and learn how to build, online virtual classroom and online teaching platform where they can teach online and make money. I stop at this point. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.
Wow. This is superb, Lizzie. I appreciate you for this. I'm now a Google Tools expert.